She said, I'm not alone. No, Coconuts, I am back. It's been a while, I know, and I hope you're having a wonderful day filled with adventure and joy and all the good things. So in today's video, I want to share with you three tantric sex secrets that you can try out tonight, even by yourself, or if you have a partner, you can also try it out with your partner. It's up to you, but you can also try it out by yourself, and that's the good thing about these 3 tantric sex secrets. So tantra is oftentimes totally misunderstood, and people think it's a philosophy that is only and all the time just about sex, but it's not. But the part of tantra that talks about sex is about the idea that 2 people worship each other like freaking deities. And it's about bringing an attitude of reverence to the lovemaking. And the truth is that it got pretty little to do with techniques, and it's much more about the mind and the heart. Anyways, there's so much to say about tantra, like so much. It's such a huge world, but I will leave that to another video, and we're gonna focus in this video just on these 3 what's going on with me? 3 techniques of how you can dive deeper into tantric lovemaking. And also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. You can do it right now because you know it's going to be a good video. And also make sure to follow my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel to get my weekly updates. And if you want to activate your sexual body, then please make sure to take my free sensual body class, because it will help you to feel more confident, more sensual, and more sexy in your skin. Just click the link under this video or the link up here, and it will lead you right to the sensual body workout, and we can be sensual together. Oh, and please also make sure to follow my wild ass and my wild life on Instagram, because this is where I share every day something from my crazy wild ass. Did I say wild? Wild life. Okay, Coconut, now let's get this party started. So, secret number 1 is your breath. Exactly. Your breath can spread orgasmic energy from your intimate area all the way through your entire body. And when you breathe deeply into your belly, it can actually help you to last longer and to have way more intense orgasms. And the longer you last, the more intense the pleasure will be in your entire body. And that's what we all want, right? So if you want to learn a little bit more about this type of breathing, then make sure to check out my last video. It was all about orgasmic breathing. You're gonna like it. Shake what your mama gave ya. That's right, put on your favorite music, stand with your legs hip width apart, relax your body, and breathe through your mouth so that your breath actually travels down until the belly button, or even lower than your belly button. And then shake your whole body, your legs, your head, your butt, for as long as it feels good, but for at least 1 minute. Go crazy. You might feel a bit awkward at first, but the wilder you go, the better it will feel afterwards, I promise you. And plus, no one can see you, so just go for it. Just go for it. And then lie down and feel into your body and all the little sensations. And here's another secret. Do this shaking right before lovemaking, and then invite your partner to the bedroom. It's a good secret. Shaking is so freaking powerful. It opens up your entire body on all these places where there is tension stored in your body. It increases your sensitivity, and this of course allows you to feel more pleasure running through that dope badass body of yours. And this is exactly what you want, right babe? I know. Yo, we live in a world where most people live more in their freaking heads than they're actually living in their body. And the more people are living in their heads, the more depressed they become, and the less they feel in their body and during sex and in everyday life. So if you want to have a little glimpse of this whole tantric lovemaking, you have to learn how to get out of your head and into your body. You literally have to lose your mind and let your body start to guide you again. There are actually 3 things that have helped me a great deal to connect more with my body and thus to feel more during sex. Number 1 is high intensity exercise ending with meditation. And number 2 is self-caressing. And while you caress yourself, focus on the sensations in and around your fingertips. Pretty good stuff. And number 3 is body-focused meditation, which means while you are meditating, you are focusing on the sensations in your entire body. I teach all of these 3 exercises in my 10-week Sensual Body Transformation online course. And the good thing is that you can now test it whole week for almost nothing. So if you want to learn a little bit more about some really cool techniques and tricks to tap deeper into your sensual body, then click the link under this video or the link up here. Yo babe, there are so many tips to make love making unforgettable, but most of it's really about reconnecting again with your heart, that heart here, and your whole body. Good love making happens when we lose ourselves, when we are free to express our heart and our feelings through your entire body. And then it can feel like it's out of this world, like literally. It can feel like love making is out of this world. Yo, I hope this video was of much help to you. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to share it with the world and give it a big thumbs up. And also subscribe for more good and wild stuff from me, because you deserve the best life ever, coconut. I'm sending you lots of love, like waves of love. And those waves of love are crushing on you. And I'm wishing you a wonderful day. See you in my next video. Bye.